Making our military capabilities on Guam more robust allows us to defend against North Korea aggression, as well as counter the secretive buildup of Chinese forces.
With the Department of Defense forced to do more with less, today in the nation's capital, the first hearing of the House Armed Services Subcommittee on Readiness was held. An independent look at the required readiness posture of U.S. forces was presented to members. The individuals who appeared before the subcommittee shared one common theme through their testimonies: the importance of the Asia-Pacific region and the threat from areas like North Korea and China and its People's Liberation Army, or PLA. Naval War College professor Thomas Mankin testified that China is for the first time close to achieving military capability to deny U.S. and allied forces access to much of the Western Pacific Rim, adding that the growth of China's anti-access capability in turn calls into question many of the fundamental assumptions upon which the U.S. has based its defense planning since World War II.
The assumption that U.S. bases in Guam and Japan and elsewhere will be secure from attack is also increasingly open to question due to China's development of ballistic and cruise missile systems and other capabilities.
Guam delegate Madeline Bordallo was the subcommittee's ranking Democrat. During today's hearing, she underscored the importance of troop realignments such as the Guam military buildup, which she says will enhance the United States' global strategic posture.
The strategic location of forces on Guam sends a very clear signal to our allies in the Asia-Pacific region that we remain their partner and a power in the Asia region. Similarly, a buildup of forces on Guam also allows us to address threats that may arise in Indonesia or the southern Philippines, not to mention humanitarian assistance missions to our Pacific Island partners and other hotspots in the region.
These are partners and strategic alliances Center for American Progress Senior Vice President Rudy DeLeon believes should be fostered, and like those who testified before him, emphasize the need for readiness to focus in our neck of the woods.
But Asia Pacific is at the top of our list in terms of needing to focus strategically on that region.
With budget constraints, Congresswoman Bordallo emphasized the need to find a proper balance to provide the nation's armed forces with the necessary resources to respond to threats against the nation, and in our case, the region.
The military buildup on Guam is not without its challenges, but it is the right thing for our nation and the right thing for Guam. We just need to get it done right.